All right, I'm done with it. Improvised repair. Put some real brackets on there to hold the top on so it can't launch it off. The only thing to do now is to make sure that it didn't F it up by running screws in. Don't forget to tape the top down or it'll go flying up. I said to do that on the YouTube. So there was nothing in the way if you put the hurricane bracket there. Nothing to be pierced and damaged. And it can't come off now. This is the deluxe one too. But I guess it's got a 3-phase motor in it and a variable frequency drive. Pretty fancy. Great free.